The mind is the source of all experiences and the key to transforming your life. Your body is a reflection of your mind. Nurture your thoughts and watch your life transform. Embrace the power of the present moment. It is where true happiness and fulfillment reside. Don't seek happiness outside of yourself. It resides within you, waiting to be discovered. Every adversity holds a seed of opportunity. Embrace challenges as stepping stones to growth. Gratitude is the doorway to abundance. Appreciate the blessings in your life and invite more of them. Choose love over fear. It is the most powerful force that can heal and transform. Forgiveness liberates the soul. Let go of grudges and embrace the freedom of a forgiving heart. You are not a drop in the ocean, but the entire ocean in a drop. Recognize your vastness and unlimited potential. Don't resist change, embrace it. It is through change that we grow and evolve. Meditation is the key to unlocking your inner wisdom and finding inner peace. Live in alignment with your purpose. When you do what you love, success follows naturally. Your thoughts create your reality. Choose positive and empowering thoughts to manifest the life you desire. Let go of the need for external validation. Your worthiness comes from within. Practice self-care daily. Nurture your mind, body, and spirit to cultivate overall well-being. Embrace uncertainty. In the midst of chaos lies great potential for transformation. Compassion is the highest form of intelligence. Extend kindness to others and watch it ripple through the world. Life is a dance between making things happen and letting them happen. Find the balance between effort and surrender. Don't be a prisoner of your past. Break free and create a new narrative for your future. Everything you need is already within you. Trust yourself and tap into your inner wisdom. The universe is a reflection of your inner state. Cultivate peace and harmony within to manifest them externally. Let go of attachment. True freedom lies in detachment from outcomes. Practice mindfulness in every moment. It is the key to living a conscious and fulfilling life. Believe in the power of miracles. When you align with the universe, magical things happen. The purpose of life is to find your gift. The meaning of life is to give it away. Surrender to the flow of life. Resistance only causes suffering. Your body is a temple. Treat it with love and respect. Live in the present moment, but also plan for the future. Balance is the key to a well-lived life. See challenges as opportunities for growth. Embrace them with curiosity and courage. You are a divine being having a human experience. Embrace your divinity and live a purposeful life. Thanks for watching.